Okay.
YouTube just spared free users from death by unskippable ads. Viewers were hit with up to 11 consecutive commercials in a row. What? Who? I've been on premium for so long, I don't even know what's going on with this.
Yeah.
YouTube is arguably the most popular long-form video streaming platform. You know what? I saw that their numbers in the most recent Nielsen ratings had it at the same percentage share of viewership as Netflix. YouTube is kind of doing numbers, kind of doing business. YouTube pays creators for raking in views because each free tier viewer sees advertisement. Yeah, we know this. This is how it goes. YouTube is ending a recent experiment that saw up to 11 unskippable ads played before your chosen video began. Okay, that seems like, I'm pretty sure what's going to happen with that experiment. You're just going to bounce. That's like,
sure.
Maybe that's what they want to see. Can anyone put up with it? Who is that person? We will find that person. You almost sounded like Donut there for a second.
What?
Well, the way you run, it was like a bit of a grunt.
Yeah.
It was like a, like that.
Well, I was reading about free YouTube.
Do people know about this donut situation?
No, let's not talk about that here. It's going to be like another 5 hours.
But you can't say anything. You can't
dog.
say anything about it. They can't meet.
No.
No, really? Okay.
Well,
Wow.
they can meet him.
I was just thinking.
Mo was filming him in the.
Well, I was just thinking because he's a member in the studio. Like he's running around. He comes up to me every time.
Just snorting.
Yeah, he comes right up to me now. But this is a bulldog for people that don't know.
No, it's a Frenchie.
Yeah, a French bulldog.
Get it right.
Yeah, a French bulldog. Frenchie slang. All right.
All right.
It's a little bulldog. You understand? And it's snorting and. Should we get him on the show or no?
No.
Okay, all right. Never mind. All right.
I'll take a picture, post it up on
all right.
Twitter.
My bad.
All right.
My bad. But there's a whole story that goes. One day Will's going to tell you guys about it.
Okay. Anyways.
This is entertainment, Will. This is entertainment right here. Okay, YouTube has always been experimenting with unskippables, and frequently they will limit the amount of it for good reason, because you can only put up with so much of it. And then they got carried away here recently with the 11. Number 8 of 11. And somebody on Twitter says, this ain't it. Well, it's definitely not it. I don't know who. You're definitely leaving. You know what? Maybe I would be so intrigued by seeing the number 11 that I might want to sit through it just to see if they're for real.
Really?
Just for a scientific. And then they would get a totally bad reading on me.
Yeah.
Where they would think, oh, he can
positive.
I would go in the other column.
Yeah.
I would go in the positive column.
But you're talking about 15 seconds in this case, right? Imagine 11 ads, that's 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's varied. Some are 5, some are 30.
I don't know. Do they do 5-second ads? I don't think I've ever seen one. I think 15 is pretty much as short as they go. I don't know.
I think they do.
Whatever. I watch YouTube Premium. Just save yourself. Subscribe to YouTube Premium.
Yeah.
Since the beginning of this year, YouTube's been showing an increasing number of ads before videos even begin. Redditors note how a year ago, the platform had up to 3 15-second unskippable ads in breaks. In January, the platform upped it to 20-second ads, while 3 consecutive 15-second ads were spotted in March. A week ago, Twitter was abuzz with the free tier watchers complaining about 8 to 11 consecutive unskippables. Oh, there you go. YouTube says it can happen with certain types of ads, bumper ads, since they're 6 seconds long. So still six times 11, Will. All right. Okay. What would you rather watch 1 minute ad or 6 10-second ads?
Now you're into TikTok territory, I think, in that sense. It's just ongoing onslaught.
You just said the triple T.
Yeah.
TikTok territory.
Sure. Yeah. The trifecta.
Welcome to TikTok territory.
I don't mind it.
No.
I don't mind it.
You like this idea.
Variety. Yeah.
You like this idea, the fast flowing ads.
Yeah, give me the 6 seconds.
You take this short, you take more short as opposed to one long. Now, granted, it's tough to know because maybe the one long could have been something you were actually interested in.
Sure.
Which would have been helpful, where it's hard to get 6 separate things that you're interested in. But anyway, in a statement delivered to 9 to 5 Google, YouTube confirmed that the high quantity ad breaks, which it calls ad pods, part of a global experiment appearing when playing longer videos on TVs. The company confirmed this small experiment is now over, though it's unclear exactly what that means for the future of the application. I don't know. Could be interesting. Maybe people here can respond. Would you rather have, if you were forced for an unskippable, would you rather have, let's even say it's 30 seconds, one 30-second or 3 10-second ads? Which would you rather have? I'm curious.
What about you?
I think I'm with you. I might rather, let me tell you the tough part with that.
Okay.
Let me tell you the tough part. It might feel like more, even though it's the same amount of time. Just because it's like, another one. Another one. It might,
yeah.
It might feel longer than it is. I would have to experience it before I could give an answer, but my gut is telling me I'd rather have the short ones.
Okay.
It's my gut intuition. I don't know. They're canceling the experiment for now, so we'll see where that goes.